Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a sound that can make any car owner's heart skip a beat. That annoying ticking noise coming from the engine bay. You hear it, it's persistent, and your mind immediately jumps to the worst-case scenario. Is my engine about to give up? Is this going to be an expensive fix? Well, before you panic, let's break it down. Two of the most common culprits for a rhythmic ticking sound are your hydraulic lifters and your fuel injectors. The good news is, one is a completely normal sound, while the other can be a sign of a problem. The trick is knowing how to tell them apart. So let's start with the fuel injectors. What do? Essentially, they're tiny, high-precision electronic nozzles that spray a fine mist of fuel into your engine's cylinders. To do this, they have to open and close. Incredibly fast, we're talking milliseconds. Inside each injector is a small component called a pintle that snaps open and shut. This rapid-fire action produces a distinct, high-pitched ticking or clicking sound. And here's the key takeaway. A ticking fuel injector is a happy fuel injector. It means it's working exactly as it should. The sound is usually very consistent, almost like a sewing machine, and it's present as soon as the engine is running. You can easily check if the sound is coming from your injectors. Pop the hood with the engine running and listen closely to the top of the engine, right where the fuel rail is located. The fuel rail is the pipe that supplies fuel to all the injectors. You should hear that light, rhythmic ticking coming from each one. A great DIY diagnostic tool is a long screwdriver or a mechanic stethoscope. Carefully place the tip of the screwdriver on the body of an injector and press your ear to the handle. Be very careful to stay away from any moving parts like belts or fans. The ticking sound should be transmitted clearly through the screwdriver. Go from one injector to the next. If they all sound roughly the same, that's a good sign they're all firing properly. This is the normal, healthy soundtrack of a modern, fuel-injected engine. Now, let's talk about the other potential source. Hydraulic lifters. Lifters are crucial components in your engine's valvetrain. They sit between the camshaft and the push rods or rocker arms, and their job is to open and close the engine's valves at the perfect time. They are hydraulic because they use engine oil pressure to maintain zero valve lash, or zero clearance, in the valve. This ensures quiet and efficient operation. A healthy lifter is virtually silent. So, when does the lifter start to tick? A ticking lifter is usually a sign that something is wrong. The most common cause is a lack of oil pressure inside the lifter itself. This can happen for a few reasons. Maybe your engine oil is low, or it's old and is broken down, losing its viscosity. Using the wrong type of oil for your car can also cause issues. Another possibility is that a lifter is clogged with sludge or debris, preventing it from filling with oil correctly. This is often called a collapsed lifter. In more serious cases, the lifter itself or other valvetrain components like the camshaft could be worn out. So how can you tell the difference between this and injector noise? A ticking lifter usually has a deeper, more metallic tick, or clack, sound compared to the lighter click of an injector. The sound is also often more pronounced. A key diagnostic clue is how the sound behaves. A noisy lifter might be loudest when you first start the car, especially on a cold morning, and then quiet down as the engine warms up and oil pressure builds. Sometimes, the ticking might get faster as you increase the engine RPM. You'll typically hear this sound coming from the valve cover area, either on the top or sides of your engine, rather than directly from the fuel rail. So, what should you do if you suspect a noisy lifter? First and foremost, check your oil. Pull the dipstick, make sure the oil level is correct, and check its condition. Is it dark and gritty? When was your last oil change? If you're overdue, a simple oil and filter change with the manufacturer-recommended oil grade might just solve the problem. Sometimes, using an engine flush product before the oil change can help clear out sludge that might be clogging a lifter. If an oil change doesn't fix it, the problem could be more serious, pointing towards a collapsed lifter or wear on the camshaft. At this point, it's probably a good idea to have a professional mechanic take a look. They can perform more advanced diagnostics to pinpoint the exact issue. Ignoring a noisy lifter can lead to more significant engine damage down the road, so it's best to address it sooner rather than later. To recap, A light sewing machine like ticking from the top of your engine is likely your fuel injectors, and that's perfectly normal. A deeper, more metallic ticking, especially one that changes with engine temperature or RPM, is more likely a hydraulic lifter issue that needs your attention. Start with the basics. Check your oil level and condition. A simple oil change is often the cheapest and easiest fix. I hope this helps you diagnose that mysterious ticking noise in your engine bay. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more car care tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you've ever dealt with a noisy lifter or injector. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.